Before, it starts with the belief. We have to believe that we can compete. Kailangan maniwala kami na kaya namin. Otherwise, na ba namin ginagawa? So it starts with the belief that we can compete. And then, we prepare our best. And like I said, belonging to the World Cup doesn't necessarily mean that we have to win games. It's the quality of their performance, of their effort, of how they play together. If we're able to do that, then the results will take care of themselves. The thing about those three teams is those three teams truly believe they can compete for a medal in the World Cup. So that speaks of their quality. Lithuania for sure is competing to be in the podium. Spain is trying to win it all. Okay. Puerto Rico has the quality to be in the podium as well. So these teams are really top quality, not just World Cup teams, but at least one of these teams are trying to win it all in the World Cup. So they're all completely different. When we look a lot, we're looking at Lithuania first, of course, being our first game. Lithuania plays a lot like us. They spread the floor. They want to push the pace. They score with a lot of good outside shooting. They like to drive to the basket and do multiple attacks. Spain, they're a European powerhouse. They do everything well. They execute. They're very talented. For sure that in each of these teams there will be NBA players. That's for sure. When experience tells me something, we've played a lot of. In these World Cup stages, we've always ended up playing against an eventual NBA player. So we will play against future NBA players here. Who knows? We might have a future NBA player in this group. You don't want to discount that. But that's the quality. So in terms of how do I assess them, there's no one thing that we can do. There's no one thing I can say about Lithuania or Spain that can spell the difference. It's just continuously trying to stay in the game, trying to stay in step by playing together and playing the right way.
Thank you.